collision auto repair specialist. Welcome to Cars. This is Collision Auto Repair Specialist. We want to show you a body shop different than anything else. People are used to seeing a body shop that is cluttered, that is dirty, and is no room or organization inside of it. But in this body shop, you're gonna see something completely different. And for your benefit, it's also necessary that you see the security and all the equipment that we have here to repair your car proper. So, come on in. Welcome. Now you are inside the shop. As you see, all the cars lined up there, ready to be repaired. Some of them are the frame stage, some of them are the painting stage, some of them are on the finish stage. So take a look and see what we do with the automobiles for you. What you're looking at here is a 1969 Cougar convertible. This is the first year Mercury Cougar came with a convertible, and obviously it's not too many of this car made, and people do like it. It's already painted. We are doing the put together and the upholstery work, and this car is going to be for sale shortly. Next, we have a 2002 Lexus LX 450. This car got hit in the front end, and we already did most of the work. As you can see, the hood is still bent. This is where it crashed the minute it got into an accident, so we already have a new hood for this. The radiator support, which is this one here, already been replaced, and we've got new headlights, new radiator, new bumper, and so many other things to repair this car proper. Dodge Ram 1500. This truck been lifted and it got into the front end collision and it's already apart. The insurance already approved all of the repairs. Parts are already in, and you may see them around the shop getting ready to be prepped and paint the jams, and then install it, measure the front end, make sure everything is lined up correctly. As you can see, some marking on the parts parts that are damaged, that they need to be repaired or replaced. Down here also, some of the damage discovered after the car was torn down or taken apart. 2004 Lincoln Town Car. This car got hit on the right front. It's already repaired, and delivery tomorrow. This light was replaced. This bumper was repaired, and that molding was replaced. The fender was repaired, and the hood was repaired and painted and color matched, stamped and buffed, and ready to go. 1974 Nissan 260Z. This car was made convertible by us. It's a custom design. The way you see it is the way we designed it, because Nissan never made these cars convertibles. You'll see a lot of changes throughout the car. Once again, this is the office where your experience will begin. We understand having an accident is stressful, but we're going to take the stress out of this accident that you had. So please come and see us. The experience with us is going to be pleasant. Your car is going to be repaired proper, and you're going to be a happy customer. Please come and see us. Collision Auto Repair Specialist.